Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone, and this is Randy's equipment from MA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. Now we're going to be doing a complete conversion on this payphone. We want to rewire this unit the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We want to install a bell circuit. We also want to install a modular line port so that Randy can simply bring in any length line cord, any color that he chooses, plug right into the modular port. Makes for an easy plug and play connection. We also want to repair the number wheel around the rotary dial. It's pretty badly damaged and we want to get that taken care of. Now this payphone does not have any keys, so we want to locate a front cover key. We also want to rekey the vault lock. If this unit has a coin validator, we want to go through the coin validator. We want to make sure that all the coins are falling through the coin validator and into the cash box area. We're going to troubleshoot the receive, the transmit, the handset cord, and the hook switch. We also want to go through the rotary. We need to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial, and we want to install a dial center ring and card, and the card will be something to the period of this really cool payphone. We will be going through the entire payphone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this payphone. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing and converting this really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone, and we want to run through a little bit about what's going on. Now, we've went ahead and went through the coin validator because we want the change to fall through the coin validator and into the cash box area. And now what we want to do is run some change through this unit. We're going to go ahead and start with a quarter, and that's going to gong. We want to do a dime. That's going to ring the bell 2 times. We want to do a nickel. We'll do a quarter. Another dime. And one last nickel. Now what we can do is check our cash box. So we want to go ahead and open our vault door, and we'll set that to the side. We'll pull our cash box out. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair and conversion of this really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup that we have connected to the receiver of the handset, and I have an open amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use our analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Wednesday, October 31st. The current time, 9:17 p.m. and the temperature, 46 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. We'll go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Randy and he can enjoy this payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.